guys, it's me Khalid. Welcome to my show Just for Kids. Today I'm going to talk about seed germination. Seeds are a reproductive part of the plant. A new plant grows out of the seeds. It can survive for a very long period of time, and when it gets favorable conditions like water, air and sunlight, then starts germinating. Germination is a process of a new plant growing from a seed. Let's see the process of germination. I took few green lentil seeds and soaked it in water overnight. Seeds absorbed water. It became soft and increased in size. Seeds absorb water through microbial as well as through seed coat. Now I'll put the seeds in the soil. After few hours, the seed coat breaks and tiny white tube-like structure comes out of the seeds. This is called as radicle. Radicle is baby root. Radicle has come out through the micropyle. Radicle comes out of the seeds first so that it can absorb water for the baby plant. I have removed seed coat. We can see two leaves like cotyledons. It gives food to the baby plant. There is something between the cotyledons. I have removed one cotyledon to have a proper look. I can see two tiny leaves. This part is called as plumule. Plumule grows into shoot. The radicle and plumule together is called as embryo. We can see that seedlings or baby plant has come out of soil. The leaves have come out of the cotyledons. As the seedlings grow, the leaves become bigger and greener. Roots have developed in the radicle. Gradually, the leaves become darker green due to chlorophyll. Now, the plants are independent. It can make its own food as it has developed root and leaves. Cotyledons are not needed now, so it starts drying and it falls off after some time. Plant grows further. It gets new leaves and branches. This process will continue and later it will get flowers and fruits. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please like it and share it. And I will be back with another video soon. Subscribe on Khalid Just for Kids.